Hey guys, happy Friday, happy Halloween. Got a nice little rebuilder that I picked up. It was in bad shape when I got it. Had to strip it all down, re-primer, repaint. Had to order new glass for it. Luckily I found somebody selling just the glass for like 15 bucks on eBay. There's the front end. Still missing these pieces. I've got to try and find. If I can find somebody selling a parts kit. I need those chrome pieces. And I still need to bare metal foil this here down the side. There's the back of it. Just left it stock looking. There's the undercarriage. Not much to it. It's an old screw bottom. I'm going to do the exhaust. I'll make that look decent. But the rest of it I'm not going to worry that much about. Just a nice little saver. One I saved and redid, and I'll put in a display case. But yeah, so there's that 64 Ford Galaxy. I had thought about turning it into a race car because my dad raced a 64 Galaxy when I was younger. But it was in just too good a shape for me to butcher it into a stock car. So I decided just to restore it. I'll finish off a little bit of more bare metal foil and that'll be done. Didn't mess with the front bumper. I wish I would have gotten rid of that, but I wanted to keep I wanted to keep it as original as possible, other than repainting it. So I left the bumpers alone. I left the interior alone. I left it just how I got it. Same thing with the back bumper. I left the stickers on the back. So there's that. And then I got sent this. I finally got my hands on a little red wagon. I've been wanting one for a long time. And I finally got one. Didn't do a whole lot with it. Yeah, they glued, the person that sent it to me, they glued the door shut, and the underneath is just stock. Again, I might maybe paint the suspension a little bit. Other than that, I think I'm just gonna leave it the way it is and put it in the case. It's good enough. It's a drag truck. It don't have to be perfect. But yeah, that's what's new on the bench. This weekend I'll be starting the F100 Classic Cruiser Ford. I'll start building that. Yeah, this is just plain interior, which is fine. They didn't do a lot of detail to it, which is okay. But I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you haven't already subscribed, please remember to subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video. See you later, guys.